In this box, in these boxes I should say, my Drag Comp drag pack, there's gonna be no more spinning. I've been waiting so long for this package. These are nice. I'm not even gonna look at them. I'm gonna show you guys before I look at them. These are light. Y'all approve? These are gonna look so mean. This is an early birthday gift to me. I turn 19 like next week. Oh my gosh. They're so big. They're like big balloons, man. I'll show you guys the last piece. I present to you the new drag pack for the Mustang. Well, there's a little prop up. These things are gonna look crazy. There you go. Oh my gosh. Let's just put them up so I can see. Maybe. Oh yeah. And now the fronts. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at the angle on that. Oh, they fit so much better than the other ones I had. All right, so this is the ugly ones. Well, they're not ugly, but yeah, I better not. There you go. All of them are on. Oh! Damn, boy, the thing looks mean. Stop playing. That is crazy. I'm gonna try this stuff on the wheels and see how it looks. Oh, it is broken, man. What the hell? I'm gonna park over there. You got that on video?
Yeah, I got him peeking out.
What the hell is that, bro? Bro is like 25 years old, acting like a little kid. Look at him. What is he? Bro, they're spraying each other. He's 25 years old, bro. He has a whole beard.